Hello kittens, it's Dave.
And Jacob.
Here once more to solve your hardware woes.
Today we're showing how easy it is to get adaptive sync working with a FreeSync monitor and an Nvidia graphics card.
Yes, it's finally happened. Nvidia is officially supporting the adaptive sync basis for your FreeSync monitor via the G-Sync Compatible initiative.
G-Sync and FreeSync both essentially offer the same thing, smooth gaming without tearing or juddering by way of synchronizing the refresh rate of your monitor with the frame rate of your graphics card.
Nvidia's standard G-Sync tech needs dedicated hardware in the monitor, which makes it expensive, while AMD's FreeSync piggybacks the adaptive sync Visa tech, which is essentially free in a whole host of gaming monitors.
Nvidia has resisted calls to support adaptive sync, but at CES this year it finally caved and you can now use a FreeSync monitor with a GeForce GPU.
But there are caveats, inevitably. You can only do this with Windows 10 and on a 10 series or later Nvidia card, as you need the DisplayPort 1.2a support. That also means you can't run this feature over HDMI either.
And also, not all FreeSync monitors are created equally. Nvidia's G-Sync compatible shtick is a validation that a FreeSync screen can enable this version of G-Sync by default, and will operate with a wide frequency range.
So far, of the 400 FreeSync monitors Nvidia has tested, only 12 have received the official validation. Though that seems more of a method of justifying why it hasn't supported the tech before, because you can enable G-Sync on any FreeSync screen.
Though to a greater or lesser success. Some will just work, some will work a little, and some will be plain bought when trying to run G-Sync.
But how do you enable it and make sure it's working? Simple. The first step is to make sure you are connected via DisplayPort and not HDMI.
Then you need to make sure you install the very latest Nvidia GeForce driver. G-Sync compatible support was introduced with version 417.71, so that software or later is what you're after.
It might also be worth running the display driver uninstaller software first to ensure a completely clean driver install.
Once you're connected properly and all drivered up, you need to make sure to enable FreeSync or adaptive sync from within the actual monitor's setup via the on-screen display.
With that enabled, you now need to bring up the Nvidia control panel and hit Change Resolution. From here, you need to select the FreeSync display. If you have multiple monitors, it should be the one displaying the Nvidia logo, and then select the highest refresh rate available. Now select the Setup G-Sync tab and ensure that the Enable G-Sync or G-Sync Compatible option is checked.
Select the FreeSync display again and check the Enable settings for the selected display model box and hit the Apply button. Wait a few seconds and all the G-Sync compatible magic should be ready and waiting for you to test.
If you grab the Nvidia G-Sync Pendulum demo, the necessary links are in the description below, you can easily run that to make sure you're getting a smooth G-Sync-y experience.
As we said before, not all FreeSync panels are created equal, and some just might not work so well. The Pendulum demo allows you to flip between G-Sync on and off to see the difference and whether you're getting a smooth set of images or the weird flickering or blurring that some weaker FreeSync displays will suffer from.
There are reports that if you are getting a not so smooth experience, that could stem from a tight FreeSync frequency range. Using the custom resolution utility, you can attempt to expand that range to get a better experience.
It's all about lowering the frequency limit, but your monitor might not operate at a low enough frequency for this to make any difference. So it's a question of trial and error, I'm afraid.
But with CRU installed, you need to click the Edit button next to the name of your FreeSync monitor at the top, add in a lower frequency to the one on offer, and click OK to save it.
You need to match this frequency range by adding an extension block and editing or adding a FreeSync range data block, if there isn't one already, in the subsequent screen.
Save all the settings by clicking OK, then restart your PC and try the Pendulum demo once more. If it works, great. If not, you might just get a black screen. But don't panic, as pressing escape will close the demo and drop you back into Windows.
You can try again, raising the lower range slightly, saving and testing again to see if you can get your panel to play nice with a custom frequency range.
It is unfortunately possible that you won't be able to, and your FreeSync display isn't one of the lucky ones. But we've had great success with this ROG screen, and with the adaptive sync feature running on our GTX 1080 Ti, Battlefield 5 looks great.
So that's how to enable FreeSync with your Nvidia card and test to see if your gaming monitor is capable. Let us know in the comments how you get on with your testing, and let us know what monitor you've tried it on too.
So good luck, thanks for watching, and remember all that contrived YouTube stuff like subscribe, bell, all that, and we'll see you again real soon.
Bye!